Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to know who view your profile on LinkedIn. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your LinkedIn application. Then click to your profile icon from the top left corner. From there, click to View Profile. Then scroll down a little bit. From the Analytics section, click to Profile Views. From there, you can see who has viewed your profile on LinkedIn. If you have a free LinkedIn account, it only offers a limited visibility into which you can view your profile with free account. You'll see notifications saying people viewed your profile in last 90 days. But if you have a premium account, you'll extend your profile viewing information. This is how you can know who viewed your profile in LinkedIn. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.